Welcome to OEMup. In this video, we'll create a Returnable Gate Pass, or RGP, in the Procurement module. Open Procurement and go to RGP. A Returnable Gate Pass documents goods sent back to a vendor, typically the items rejected during inspection. It starts here. In inspection, this lot has a returned quantity, the units that failed the quality check and need to go back. Open RGP and click Create. Select the purchase invoice the goods arrived on, add a reason, and record the driver, transporter, and vehicle details for dispatch. Under Invoice Items, choose the stock lot and enter the return quantity you are sending back, then save. OEMup produces a branded Gate Pass PDF with vendor details, HSN codes, return quantity, GST, and grand total, ready to travel with a shipment. When repaired or replaced goods come back, use Add Item under Items to receive. Enter the vendor challan number and the received quantity. OEMup tracks what's still outstanding, so partial returns are handled cleanly. And because these goods are re-entering your stock, OEMup raises a fresh inspection, so returned items are quality checked again before they are approved. That's the Returnable Gate Pass workflow in OEMup, a fully traceable loop from rejection to return and back into inspection. That completes the Procurement module.